Welcome to Best 5 Products. The Best Food Scale Battery is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked components in ensuring your kitchen's precision and efficiency, especially when you rely on your digital food scale for accurate measurements in cooking, baking, or portion control, as a dead battery can bring your culinary endeavors to an abrupt halt, leaving you frustrated and potentially compromising your recipes. Number 5. Etekcity Digital Kitchen Scale. This scale supports 5 different units of measurement, including grams and ounces. It also features a tare function and comes with batteries, so you can start using it right away. Get accurate measurements every time. It can weigh items up to 11 pounds or 5 kilograms with precise 1 gram increments. Its small and sleek design makes it a perfect fit for any kitchen. It doesn't take up much space and can be easily stored away. Cleaning is a breeze thanks to its 304 food-grade stainless steel surface. Simply wipe it down to keep it looking its best. The backlit LCD screen features large fonts, making it easy to read your measurements at a glance, even in low light. What we like? This scale offers effortless weighing with multiple units and a handy tare function. Its compact and sleek design makes it a perfect fit for any kitchen, easily storable in cabinets. If you're looking for a straightforward, reliable scale for everyday cooking and meal prep, this is a great choice. What people say. It is super easy to use and allows for different types of measurements, which I appreciate. Just tap the on-off button to recalibrate back to 0 or hold it for 2 seconds to shut off. Super lightweight with a small and sleek design to make for easy storage and easy cleaning. It easily switches between grams, ounces, ml, etc. It tears quickly so I can track items as I add them to a bowl. The display is very easy to read and measurements are extremely accurate. It's accurate, easy to use, and connects to the app without any issues. Number 4. Etekcity Digital Kitchen Scale, 22-pound stainless steel. Introducing the Etekcity Digital Kitchen Scale, your perfect kitchen companion. It's designed for precision and ease of use in all your culinary adventures. This scale accurately weighs items from as little as 2 grams up to a maximum of 22 pounds. Its precise graduation ensures you get exact measurements every time. Don't worry about spills. Its IPX6 waterproof design makes it easy to clean and allows for measuring liquids without any hassle. Forget about constantly replacing batteries. This scale features a convenient USB-C rechargeable battery, ensuring it's always ready when you need it. Easily switch between 5 different units of measurement, including grams, ounces, pounds, milliliters, and fluid ounces, to suit any recipe or need. Enjoy added convenience with its built-in tare feature for subtracting container weights and a hold function to lock in readings. From baking and meal prep to weighing parcels or even baby food, this versatile scale is an indispensable tool for various tasks around your home. What we like? With its IPX6 waterproof design, this scale can handle spills and is easy to clean, making it ideal for measuring liquids. The USB rechargeable battery means no more hunting for replacements. If you frequently work with liquids, need a higher weight capacity, or prefer the convenience of recharging, this is the scale for you. What people say. It is super easy to use and allows for different types of measurements, which I appreciate. Just tap the on-off button to recalibrate back to 0 or hold it for 2 seconds to shut off. Super lightweight with a small and sleek design to make for easy storage and easy cleaning. It easily switches between grams, ounces, ml, etc. It tears quickly so I can track items as I add them to a bowl. The display is very easy to read and measurements are extremely accurate. It's accurate, easy to use, and connects to the app without any issues. Number 3. Ultrean Digital Kitchen Scale. Introducing the Ultrean Digital Kitchen Scale, designed for precision and ease. Its user-friendly panel and high-precision sensors ensure accurate measurements every time. Effortlessly switch between units like grams, pounds, ounces, and even milk milliliters. This scale adapts to all your measuring needs. Crafted with a contemporary, slim stainless steel design, it's not only stylish but also incredibly easy to clean. Read your measurements with ease, even in dim lighting, thanks to the clear, negative white digital display. This scale comes with a battery included and features low energy consumption. Simply remove the isolation sticker under the battery cover to get started. We stand by our product with trusted customer support. Enjoy a great experience from start to finish with your new kitchen essential. What we like. This scale boasts a contemporary slim design and offers multiple unit conversions, including milk volume measurement. Its backlit negative white digital display ensures easy readability even in dimly lit rooms. If you value aesthetics, need precise milk volume measurements, and appreciate a clear display, this scale is a stylish and functional option. What people say. This scale is very accurate and easy to use. It has a sleek and modern design that looks great in my kitchen. The tare function is very convenient for measuring ingredients. Number 2. Kitchen food scale with LCD display. Meet your new kitchen essential, designed for all your weighing needs. It handles up to 11 pounds with precision, down to the gram. Switch between grams, pounds, ounces, and more with a single touch. This scale makes complex recipes simple, adapting to any measurement you need. Stay informed with low battery and overload alerts. Plus, it automatically shuts off after 2 minutes of inactivity, saving energy and ensuring long-term reliability. Just peel off the protective film, add batteries, and select your unit. The one-button tare function easily zeroes out the weight, giving you precise net measurements every time. Its large LCD screen displays numbers clearly, even in low light. This makes it easy for everyone, from seasoned chefs to beginners, to get accurate readings. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, it's waterproof and wear-resistant. The rounded corners and anti-slip base add safety and stability to your kitchen tasks. What we like. This scale features a unique night vision mode on its LCD display for excellent visibility in any lighting condition. It also has a rounded corner design for safety and is energy-saving with an auto shut-off feature. If you often cook or bake in low light, prioritize safety, and want a scale that conserves power, this is an excellent companion for your kitchen. What people say. It's a great size, very slim so it's convenient to store anywhere in the kitchen, even in a drawer. Small and compact. So easy to store. Great digital food scale. Love the imperial or metrics capability and it is super accurate, easy to use and well priced. Number 1. Smart Weigh Digital Kitchen Scale. Get precise readings every time with this digital kitchen scale. It's perfect for everything from meal prep and portion control to baking and weighing small items accurately. Easily convert between grams, ounces, milliliters, kilograms, and pounds with just a touch. This versatility makes it ideal for all your cooking and baking needs. The convenient tare function allows you to subtract the weight of your container for perfectly accurate measurements. It simplifies all your kitchen weighing tasks. This compact and lightweight scale features a backlit LCD display and auto-off function. It's designed for everyday reliability, whether you're weighing food or other items. Enjoy peace of mind with a 2-year warranty and dedicated customer support. This digital scale is built for dependability for all your cooking and weighing needs. What we like. This scale not only provides accurate measurements but also offers calorie tracking, making it perfect for health-conscious individuals. It comes with a 2-year warranty for peace of mind. If you're focused on weight loss, portion control, or tracking your nutritional intake, this scale is a smart tool to help you achieve your goals. What people say. It's easy to keep clean and consistently measures accurately. This scale is small enough to just slide into a drawer till you need it again and so helpful. I love the different units of measurement and how easy it is to switch between them. The screen is easy to read, even for my middle-aged eyes. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.